example of a sine wave that has a frequency of 8 hertz, right? So 8 hertz means that wave is finishing 8 cycles in a unit second, right? So that means the frequency of that wave is 8 hertz. So if we talk about the frequency domain, right, we can see that the composition of our signal is one wave, one peak occurring with a frequency of 8 hertz with a magnitude fraction of 1, that is, it is the whole signal, right? So here is the graphical representation, right? So we have the time domain and you can see the frequency domain. So at this frequency you can see the peak amplitude, right?